One or more atoms may share electrons, thus forming a covalent bond.
Okay, so a covalent bond is when atoms, okay, will have electrons buzzing around, not only around the home nucleus, but then it will also actually buzz around another nucleus. And so if you notice, hydrogen has such a tight hold on its only electron, it's not going to give it up. Therefore, hydrogen atoms will potentially share electrons, called a covalent bond. Now I'm going to play this again. As it plays, watch how the electrons will float around both hydrogens.
One or more atoms may share electrons, thus forming a covalent bond. Electrons will spend a portion of their time associated with each of the participating atoms. A single covalent bond represents the sharing of one pair of electrons, such as with two hydrogen atoms.
Okay, now we can also have double bonds. They're going to show you double bonds, and then I'll show you how to draw some of these things as well.
A double covalent bond is formed by the sharing of two pairs of electrons.
Now take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this atom has 8. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This atom has 8. Octet rule. They want to satisfy that octet rule. Now let's take a look at how we can draw some of this stuff. Okay. Go ahead and make this big. So this is on the back page as well. You guys should have seen this already. Follow your teacher's directions to complete each covalent bond. We're going to go ahead and use the example that they used in the video. Two hydrogen atoms. Okay. Now again, hydrogen's got a strong hold on its only electron, so it's not going to give it up. Okay. Instead, what it will do is it will share them. Okay. Now, hydrogen and oxygen is another example. Hydrogen, again, we know has a single outer shell electron. Oxygen has 6. Hydrogen will not give it up, so instead it will share. And so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, I was supposed to draw another one down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now again, you got to realize that if oxygen isn't satisfied, it's probably going to run into another hydrogen at some point. And when it does, they're going to share electrons. And so this hydrogen has 2. This hydrogen has 2. This oxygen has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both are checking out, and as this turns out, this is a pretty common element you guys have seen, or bond you guys see. So, covalent bonds. Okay, again, just for your information, covalent, that means that they share. Okay, ionic means that they will pass. Okay. Because they're sharing, the electrons will squeeze these atoms together to form a bond. In ionic, they'll pass them, and the negative positive difference is what will bring them together.